Hello, in this video I'll show you how to import MetaMask wallet into Rabby wallet. Now it's a very easy process. What you have to do is simply open your browser, then open Rabby wallet. After that, just simply download any one of the applications right over here. Now if you want to use Rabby wallet on your Chrome, choose the extension panel. If you want to use the Rabby wallet in your macOS or Windows, choose any one of these options, or if you want to use it on a mobile or iOS device, choose any one of them. Now in my case, I'm going to go with the extension over here. So click on download for Chrome. After that, just simply add this to your Chrome. Then click on add extension and now wait for a few seconds. And after the extension is added, simply pin it. Now, the first thing that you will do is click on it. Then click on next. Then click on get started. Now to import your MetaMask account, just simply click on import my MetaMask account right over here. But before that, you have to set a small password. So just simply do that. After that, click on next. Now over here, just simply ignore the first step and just simply click on import seed phrases. And now it will open a new tab over here. Once you will have this page, just simply go to MetaMask. Then click on this three dots right over here. Click on the settings option. Go to the security and privacy. Then click on reveal secret phrase. Click on get started. Then it will ask you a few questions. Just simply answer it correctly. And after that, click on continue. Then enter your password right over here again. Click on next. Then just simply hold over here on this panel. Then just simply click on copy to clipboard. Just simply choose this option. And now your secret phrase is copied. Close the panel. And what you have to do is just simply click on the first block over here. Now, if your secret phrase is more than 12 words, just simply choose that right over here. But in my case, it's only of 12 words, so I'm going to go with this one. Now just simply click on the first box over here and then just simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard or just simply right click and paste. And that will export all the phrases and all the blocks as you can see right over here. Now once that is done, all you have to do is click on confirm. Then over here, just simply choose any one of the address as you can see right over here. Over here, you can add multiple address if you want to. And then just simply click on done. And after that, you're good to go. If you open Rabby wallet again, your MetaMask wallet have been exported to Rabby wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.